Now, let me say something straight. Kapatid, hindi ka tinawag ng Diyos para sumuko. Hindi ka tinawag para tumigil sa gitna ng laban. Hindi ka tinawag para i-give up ang pangarap mo o i-quit ang calling mo just because it's getting hard. Alam mo, maraming tao nagsisimula ng may pananampalataya pero humihinto dahil sa pressure. Kapag may delay, sumusuko. Kapag may rejection, napapagod. Kapag walang immediate result, napapanghinaan ng loob. Makinig ka kapatid, hindi lahat ng mahirap ay ibig sabihin hindi para sa'yo. Minsan, test lang yan ng obedience mo. Kasi ang totoo mga kapatid, God is not only interested in your destination. He is also forming your character in the process. Yung season na walang progress, yung season na parang wala kang nakikita, yung season na parang paulit-ulit lang ang waiting, hindi yan wasted time. That's where God is building endurance in you. Kaya, huwag mong i-measure ang sarili mo based on how fast you're moving. Measure your faith. Kasi may mga bagay na hindi agad dumarating sa atin. Pero hindi ibig sabihin, hindi darating. Minsan, gusto natin agad breakthrough, pero ayaw natin ng process. Gusto natin agad promotion, pero ayaw natin ng preparation. Gusto natin agad answer, pero ayaw natin sa waiting. Pero ganito ang katotohanan mga kapatid. God is never late. And He is never absent. Even in silence, He is working. So, kung pagod ka na, kung gusto mo nang sumuko, kung feeling mo wala nang nangyayari, pakinggan mo ito kapatid. Don't quit in the middle of what God is still finishing. Stay faithful. Stay consistent. Stay obedient. Kahit walang applause. Kahit walang validation. Kahit walang visible result. Because what God started in you, He is faithful to complete. Hindi ka tinawag para sumuko. Tinawag ka para magpatuloy. And one day, when everything makes sense, you'll realize it was worth it. God bless you.